The benefits of using technology such as AutoGuide 3000 for automatic steering or AgCommand for telemetry are quite a few actually. When it comes to the AutoGuide 3000, you can look at an operator in the field can concentrate more on what he's doing instead of where he's going, and be able to monitor, for example, in planting, make sure the planter is working correctly and everything is functioning properly behind him. Can also get a better job in the field. Many tests have shown that a farmer will always overlap, which means they're farming more acres than what they actually have. And this way they can utilize their time and the efficiency of all their equipment better. AgCommand, on the other hand, will give them a electronic log of all information, what's going on out in the field, how a tractor is performing, how much fuel is it using, are they using it the most efficient way that it can be used. And this can all be logged and saved on a website for a grower or a fleet operator to monitor all of his equipment and make sure he's getting optimum use out of all of it. The big benefits that precision agriculture can bring to a farmer, especially using AGCO equipment, is doing a better job, plain and simple. Making sure that they're optimizing the use of all of their crop inputs in the proper place in a given field. You take a field of any size, can have variable nutrient values across that field. And this way they can make sure that they are putting the proper amount of nutrients in a given area to get better utilization and a better crop. If a farmer was to ask me that doesn't do anything with technology at this point in time, why they should get into it or should they get into it, it's a pretty simple answer. It's the way that you're going to be able to do a better job with what you do. The costs of everything that you're doing are never going to go down. They're always going to go up. So you want to make sure that every penny you spend is utilized properly. And this is one way for you to do that by the use of technology. Right back here, we have what we call our AgCommand website. For example, a grower may have several pieces of equipment that he has an AgCommand system on. He can take from his computer, look and locate those machines, click on them, and see exactly what they're doing. Are they just sitting there idling? Are they actually working? They can also refer to how much fuel are they using? How fast are they going? How much load is on that machine as they're running through the field? And for fleet operators, they can keep track of multiple pieces of equipment at any given time. For the smaller operator, who may think, oh golly, I don't need this because I'm doing it, he's got a history of what his machine is doing. And he knows exactly how his machine performed over the past year. And maybe it's time to get something bigger, or maybe it's too big. And he can utilize something smaller even, as far as that goes. So the other neat thing about this is on your PC in the office. We also have what we call an app that you can put on iPhones, iPads, of the like, and he can take and do this mobily from anywhere. And he can take and bring up a piece of equipment. For example, if he is out in the field and wants to see how a given piece of equipment is performing, he can bring it right up on his iPhone, or like I have on an iPad, and see exactly what's going on with that machine.